This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to reset the home screen on your Android phone. Now, depending on the brand you have, it's going to be a little bit different. So I have a Samsung, Motorola, and then Google Pixel, the three most popular brands. So just go to the top right on each of the phones, and then go on down to where it says Settings. So let's go to Settings, Settings, and then go on down to Apps. So let's go on down to Apps. I'm a Samsung here. This is going to be the most popular one. Go to Apps, Apps, and then Apps here. So on the Samsung phone, this is going to be One UI Home. So I can scroll on down to here, One UI Home, so I can find it. So here's the options for One UI Home, almost there. And then go to this. Go to where it says Storage. And then go to where it says Clear Cache and go to Clear Data. Now when you go back to the home screen, you can see it's going to do this where it has to like reload everything. So on your Motorola and your Google Pixel, it's going to be a little bit different. So on your Google Pixel, you want to go to the Pixel Launcher. So let's go to Pixel Launcher, and then we can find it under here. So here's Pixel Launcher, and we want to do the same thing, storage and cache, clear storage and cache. And then you go back to the home screen, it's back to the original. Motorola, it's going to be the Motorola launcher. So we should be able to find that under here. Moto app launcher right here. Go to where it says storage and cache, clear storage, clear data, and then you can go back to the home screen. And boom, that's how you do it on all three of these most popular brands in the US. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.